after receive the machine, and this cable, this you must we contact this first. Then here is motor. Here is motor the cable. We must this one is connected here, and this one is connected here. We must connect. Okay. Now let's do it. Okay. And now here is motor. The servo motor is contact. That's it. And here is contact. Must check it. Okay. And here also check it. After do it, then close this cap. Okay.